Today we're diving deep into choosing the best gloves for cleaning car batteries. Safety always comes first, especially with battery acid, dirt and grime. Using the right gloves can be the difference between a quick clean-up and a trip to the emergency room. So whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, stick around because I'm breaking down the top 5 types of gloves that'll keep your hands safe and grime-free. We'll talk about the pros, the cons, and everything in between so you can make the best choice for your next battery cleaning adventure. Let's get started. First up, we've got the classics rubber gloves. Those trusty yellow dishwashing gloves your grandma used to rock. Latex gloves are great for general cleaning and light-duty tasks, providing a decent barrier against chemicals. However, for serious battery cleaning, step up to nitrile gloves. They're more durable and resistant to punctures and chemicals. Plus, they're less likely to cause allergic reactions. For those heavy-duty jobs, you're going to need chemical-resistant gloves. These gloves are designed to withstand harsh chemicals, including battery acid. Made from materials like neoprene, butyl rubber or PVC, they often have extended cuffs for extra protection. They can be bulkier and less flexible, but the extra protection is worth it. Plus, they'll last longer than flimsy dishwashing gloves. Cleaning a car battery isn't just about dealing with corrosive liquids. You've also got to contend with sharp tools, rusty terminals, and other hazards. That's where heavy-duty work gloves come in. Made from tough materials like leather or synthetic blends, they withstand punctures, abrasions, and impacts. While they might not offer the same chemical resistance, they provide excellent protection from physical damage. Perfect for tasks like loosening bolts, scrubbing grime, or handling sharp tools. Sometimes you just need a quick and easy solution. For those situations, disposable gloves are your new best friend. Made from nitrile, they're inexpensive and perfect for short-term tasks. They offer decent protection against mild chemicals and grime, and are super convenient to toss out after use. Remember, they're not designed for prolonged contact with strong chemicals or heavy-duty tasks. It's time to talk about electrical safety. Car batteries pack a serious electrical punch, and you need electrical insulated gloves for certain tasks. These gloves protect you from electrical hazards and undergo rigorous testing to withstand high voltages. You're probably not going to need them for every job, but they're a must-have for working on connected batteries or exposed wiring. They provide an extra layer of protection that could save your life. Don't mess around with electricity safety first. So there you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to choosing the perfect gloves for cleaning car batteries. Safety always comes first, and protecting those precious hands is non-negotiable. Whether you opt for rubber gloves, chemical-resistant gloves, or electrical insulated gloves, there's a perfect pair for every job. Take the time to assess the risks, choose the right gloves, and follow proper safety procedures. If you've got any crazy car battery cleaning stories or glove recommendations, share them in the comments below.